guys, let's understand how we can handle exception in Python. Obviously, we have to use the try and catch flow to do this. But first, learn when we get the exception. I think I mentioned in earlier video also. For example, there is a list called exotic tag. I want to print it out. Why? Obviously, I will get the item exotic tag. What I want to do, for example, I want to access the value at index 0. It will show me exotic. At index 1, it will show me tag. And at index 2, it will give me an error. It throws an error. So how can I handle this error? Obviously, I have to use the try block. So to do this, you have to be very careful. For example, print when it comes the exception at y2, it gives us the exception. But what I want to do, I want to say when this is the s, so except, because if you see, it throws us the index error, last index out of a range. So what we have to do, we have to use the exception of index error. I use the index error, so now it will handle the index error. So it depends on what type of exception you are getting. You have to do little experiment, then you probably will understand how things are working. You say like maybe not available. Okay, so what will it do now? Let me compile this. It gives us the error. Why? Because I forget it to delete this here. Now let's see. Let me save this code, compile it. Look, it shows not available. So what it does, it checked like I want to print py2, but it's not possible. Obviously it will throw us the error. We knew it because it always threw us the index error. So what I did, I used the exception index error and I printed out not available. Now in the output I got the not available because it was not a valid syntax. So that's just how you handle the exceptions in Python. So guys, thank you, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. See you in next video.